Click on OK. So array. Array is nothing but it is a special type of variable which can hold the multiple values. Array is nothing but it is a special type of variable which can hold the multiple values. Array is nothing but it is a special type of variable which can hold the multiple values. So array declaration. Array declaration already we discussed once again. Just wait. Data table, data type, array name, data type, array name equal to new data type, size of array. Data type int, array name a equal to new int size 5, like we can write it. So whenever you are declaring array, we are mentioning the size. We are mentioning the size. Today concept dynamically growing arrays. Today concept is dynamically growing arrays. Today concept is dynamically growing arrays. No need to mention the size. Automatically it can raise the size. Automatically it can raise the size. So the type of arrays is called dynamically growing arrays. Today concept dynamically growing arrays. It is very important concept. Dynamically growing arrays. Dynamically growing arrays. Dynamically growing arrays. There are three types of dynamically growing arrays. That means no need to mention the size. Automatically, if you add anything, it will raise the size. If you add anything, it will raise the size. If you add anything, it will raise the size. So no need to mention the size of array. So the type of arrays is called dynamically growing arrays. There are three types of dynamically growing arrays. One is array list, hash set, hash set, hash table. There are three types of dynamically growing arrays: array list, hash set, hash table. Array list, hash set, hash table. So these dynamically growing arrays are predefined classes, predefined classes of collection API, collection API in Java. 3. Array list, hash set, hash table are predefined classes of collection API in Java. Predefined classes of collection API in Java. So first we will discuss array list. Array list. Syntax. Array list. A should be cap. Array list. A should be cap. Array list. Data type. Array list. Data type. Array name equal to new array list. A should be cap. New array list. Data type. This is the syntax. Array list. This is the array list syntax. So first of all, array list syntax same asset also same, remaining array list and asset both same. So what are the main differences between array list and asset we will discuss now. So first asset syntax same to same. Set we can say set also. Asset we can call asset or set. We can call asset or set. Data type set name equal to new asset data type. Right. This is asset syntax. Next, hash table syntax. Hash table. It should be cap. Hash table. Hash table. Here, string comma string. Multi-dimensional. String comma string. It should be cap. String comma string. It should be cap. Equal to. Equal to. New hash table. New hash table. String comma string. String comma string. It should be comma. Right. These are the array list, asset, hash table syntaxes. So what are the main differences between array list, asset and hash table? We will discuss. In the notes it is not very clear. So just you should remember what are the main differences between array list and hash table and asset. We will discuss now. Array list, asset, hash table. Okay, right. Array list, A comma L should be cap. A comma L should be cap. H comma I should be cap. Only H should be cap. Only for strings. Only for strings. Only for strings. All are only for strings. If you want to add anything to array list, we will use add method. Here also we will use add method. If you want to add anything to asset or array list, we will use add method. Here we will use put method. If you get from anything from array list, we will use get method. Here we will use iterator method. Here we will use get method. And array list, it will count duplicate values. It will count duplicate values. Count duplicates. Duplicates. It will count unique values. It will count unique values. It will count unique values. And array list, it is a single dimension array. It is also single dimension array. This is multi-dimensional array. That means there are two things. One is multi-dimensional array means one is key, second one is value. One is key, second one is value. Using key, we can get the value. Using key, we can get the value. Using value, we can't get the key. Using value, we can't get the key. We can get null. We can get null. We can get null. These are the differences between array list, asset, and hash table. Array list, A comma L should be cap, H comma I should be cap, and hash table, only H should be cap. All are only for strings. If we want to add anything to array list, we will use add method. If it is hash set also, we will use add method. If it is hash table, we will use put method. And array list, if you want to get anything from array list, we will use get method. If it is hash set, we will use iterator. And if it is hash table, we will use get method. Array list, it will count duplicate values. Hash set, it will not count it will not count duplicate values. So that means it will count only unique values. Hash table also, it will count only unique values. And array list, it is a single dimensional array. Hash set also single dimensional array. And hash table is multi-dimensional array. There are two things. One is key, second one is value. Using key, we can get the value. Using value, we can't get the key. So we can get a null. We can get null, right? Now, now concept is just one more thing. We can say list also. If it is array list, we can say list also. As set, we can say set also. We can call set also. Hash table, compulsory, we should call hash table only. We should call hash table only. These are the main differences between array list, hash set, and hash table. So we will discuss the concept. Go to Eclipse. Take the new project, Java project, click on next. I'm taking project name is India. I'm taking project name is India. Click on finish. No. Go to SRC. Take the new class array. Keep the mark public static void menu. Array list. Click on finish. If you want to increase the font size, we can increase. Go to Windows, Preferences, General, Appearance, Color and Fonts. Go to Java, Edit. Actually, it is 10. No, I'm keeping 16. No. Click on OK. Apply. OK. Declare the array list. Array list. Array list. Only for strings. Write string. Array list string A equal to new array list. New array list. A comma L should be cap, but import the statements, then automatically it will be change. So string array list declaration. So import the statements. Array list, array list, array list, java.util, array list, java.util. Right. Automatically L should be, it will change to caps. If you want to add anything to array list, we will use add method. Akhil. Right. Now I want to get the one element like a dot get SYSO control space a dot get. I want to get the value from array list. So get I'm giving index. I'm giving index. Based on the index it will call. So you have get to what is the answer, madam?
Uh, Akhil,
Why it is Akhil?
third one is Akhil, no?
So that means
So this is also index 0, 1,
index
2,
start
right?
with 0. Array index start with 0. Array index start with 0. So Akhil is right answer. So just you should remember array index start with 0. Count start with 1. Count start with 1. No. Okay. What is the size of array?
-1, whatever.
Size of array. Size. Count it.
Oh, counting. 8.
Hmm?
7. Size of array is 8.
Array list. It will count duplicate values also. It will count duplicate values also. Size is Akhilu 8. Akhilu 8. Okay, ma? Based on
Mm.
the index, we can get the value. Based on the index, we can get the value. Based on the index, we can get the value. I want to get the all the values. I want to get the all the values. I want to get the all the values. 2, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you want all the values, just we can write Akilu, Akilu, Raju, Ramu, Suma, Akilu, Jabin, Akil. Okay, we can get it. So if you have 100 values, 100 times we should write printed statement. So 100 times we should write printed statements. Instead of this printed statements, we will use for loop. We will use for loop. We will use
For
for
loop.
loop. How to write the for loop already we discussed. For int I equal to
I
I equal to 0,
0.
I less than. So I don't know size of array. For example, I don't know size of array. How I can I write?
A dot length.
Hmm?
A dot length.
No. A
Less
dot
than equal to
size.
A dot. Hmm. Why
Size,
not length?
not length. A dot size. So size, array size. If you know that number, you can write it. Okay, I know 8. I can write it. Otherwise, you don't know. Otherwise, you don't know.
Mhm.
Simple. We can write I, a dot size. A dot size. SYSO control space I. So it will print all values. Save, click on run. Simple for loop. Total size is 82, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Size is 8. We can get the size is 8.
In arrays, you can use length. In array list, we cannot use length.
Wait. Get I. Now we can get the names also. Now we can get the names also. Save. Akhil Raju, Akhil Ram, Suma, Akhil Jabin, Akhil. Okay. Right. We want to use length. You want to use length. Is length. No, there is no option. Got it?
Okay.
Right. So array list A comma L should be cap only for strings. We can say list also. If you want to add anything to array list, we will use add method. If you want to get anything from array list, we will use get method, and it will count to duplicate values. Okay, all are over. Right.
Okay. Yeah.
Next, as set. Separate take the another class. New class set. Public static void admin. Click on finish. Set string equal to string L equal to new has set. We can call set or as set. Set has set. H comma S should be cap. So here I am using. What is the size of array? Size of set to. What is the size of set, madam?
11.
No. What is the main difference between array list and as set?
It won't count.
Hmm.
Okay, it will count only unique.
Unique values. Okay.
So only 4,
No.
5.
Alright. A1, A2, A3, A4, A. Answer is 5. Answer is 5. It will count only unique values. If you want to get anything from asset, we will use iterator method. We will use iterator method. Iterator string, itr equal to L dot iterator for into I equal 0, I less than L dot size I plus plus system dot out dot println iterator dot next itr dot next itr dot next. Iterator is nothing but it is an interface belongs to the collection API. Iterator is nothing but it is an interface belongs to collection of API. Iterator is nothing but it is interface. It is an interface belongs to the collection API which is used for handle sets, lists, and so on. Simply iterator reference acts like a pointer. Simply iterator reference acts like a pointer, like as a pointer. Next, iterator next method. Iterator next method gets elements data from the location which is pointed by the iterator reference. So it will focus on the next. It will focus on the next. So iterator next is nothing but it will focus on the next. Iterator next method is used for it gets elements data from the location which is pointed by the iterator reference. Pointed by the iterator reference. Iterator nothing but it is an interface. Iterator java.util. We move one more bracket required, right? It will print the all the 5 values. It will print the all the 5 values: a1, a2, a3, a4. Set also finished. If you want to add anything to As set, we can say set or as set only for strings, and if you want to add anything to as set, we will use add method. If you want to get anything from set, we will use iterator method. Sorry, iterator method. If you want to get anything from set, we will use iterator method. It will count only unique values. It will count only unique values. Okay, that is set is over. Next, go to src, take the new class hash table. Keep the mark public static void main, click on finish. It is a multi-dimensional array. Right. Hash table string comma string, hash table string comma string. Import the statement java.util hash table string comma string a equal to new hash table string comma string. If you want to add anything to hash table, we will use put method. A dot put Akhil Hyderabad, a dot put Swapna Hyderabad 2, a dot put Sindhu Tamil Nadu, a dot put Sarita USA, a dot put Swapna Hyderabad, a dot put Sindhu Karnataka, a dot put Harita uh, Jammu Kashmir. System dot out dot println a dot size. What is the size of array? Size of hash table? What is the size of hash table?
4 by 4.
No,
Akhil and 4 only, no?
no, 7,
It
7.
won't.
Only it will count only unique values. Unique.
Okay, okay. Pair also is there.
Okay. Pair.
Yeah.
Unique pair. Save. Click on done. Size is 7. Right. Now system dot out dot println a dot get Arita. A dot get Arita. Arita. Where is Arita? Harita. Arita. So if I give Arita, what is the answer? Arita is a key.
USA.
Arita is a key. USA is a value. USA is a value. Using key we can get the value. And I'm giving value. We can't get the key. We can get
Um,
null.
only value. Okay.
Null.
Mm.
7 USA null. 7 USA null. Right, madam. So this is Java we discussed. Java is over. Java is over. Now we can enter into Selenium. Yesterday we learned only one line. What is that line? Do you remember?
Of the relative API?
No. After API, after we discussed one concept. What is that?
I don't remember.
Interface name, reference name equal new class name. This is the only line we learned in Java.
Yes.
Yeah,
Mm.
interface name, reference name equal new class name. Today concept is Selenium. Once again, before going to Selenium, once again Selenium introduction. Within roughly we will discuss now once again. What is Selenium? So today we are entering into Selenium. What is Selenium? Selenium is nothing but it is a software. Selenium is nothing but it is a software. Selenium is nothing but it is a software. It is a software. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. Set of programs. Selenium is nothing but it is a software which contains set of programs. Selenium having four components. Selenium having four components. Selenium having four components. One is Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid. So today our focus first we will discuss Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software. Same definition. Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs, which contains some set of programs. This set of programs we need to configure. We need to configure or install or deploy. You can use any word. Configure or install or deploy. We need to install into one user interface. Why? Because these are the programs. Directly we can't interact with these programs. These are the programs. Directly we can't interact with these programs. We need one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. If we want to write the Java programs, always we will use Eclipse. Okay, right. So, how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Today, first concept to how to configure. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Right. Right click on project. Right click on project. Go to, sorry, right click on project. Go to properties. Java build path. Libraries. Add external jars. Add external jars. Choose the jars.
Which jar we have to choose here?
Yeah, WebDriver programs. WebDriver programs already I have. I will send you, madam. So already we have Selenium WebDriver programs already I downloaded. So that Selenium programs we need to choose. So we need to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. So right click on project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, choose the jars, click on OK.
Online, can I download
Yeah,
the?
no need to download. I will tell you, madam. Just wait. Okay. I will tell you, I will send you that jars. So how to download everything, I will explain you. Just wait. So first, how to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse. Right click on project, properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, choose the jars, click on OK. Okay, right. Today concept is Selenium WebDriver. What is Selenium WebDriver? Selenium WebDriver is nothing but it is a software which contains some set of programs. These set of programs we need to configure into one user interface. In the place of user interface, we are using Eclipse. Eclipse is nothing but it is a powerful editor to write the Java programs. Now go to Eclipse. Concentrate ma. So today concept is very important. After this class, you can work with any application without Akhil support, without any support. Directly you can work with any application. Any application. After this class only. After this class only, you can work with any application, madam. So I will make you expert. Just wait. So today concept is Selenium. Selenium. Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver. Click on finish. I'm taking one new project. No. Right click on project. Go to properties. Java build path. Already I downloaded Selenium WebDriver programs. So these are the Selenium WebDriver programs. Ma. I will show you. 37 programs we have. 37 programs we have. 37. Double click on it. Let's. These are the Selenium WebDriver programs. So 37 programs we have. So we need to configure these 37 programs into Eclipse. How to configure Selenium WebDriver programs into Eclipse? Right click on Project Explorer, sorry, project, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, desktop, I have 37 programs we have, control all, click on open, click on OK. So now this is not Eclipse, it is a Selenium WebDriver. It is a Selenium WebDriver. Go to SRC, take the new class. And taking class name is WD1. Keep the mark public static void menu. Click on finish. Right, madam. What we learned from Java? One line we learned. What is that line, madam? Interface name,
Have
reference name
reference name
equal to
equals to name.
new class name. Yesterday night only we discussed this concept. Interface
Yes.
name, reference name equal to new class name. So here interface is WebDriver. WebDriver. W and D should be cap, but no need to write WebDriver. Reference name WD equal to new Firefox driver. In the place of class, I'm taking any browser. You can take any browser. First, you should take Firefox. So I'm taking Firefox driver WD. Import the statement, keep the cursor, WebDriver, org, OpenKey, Selenium automatically. W and D should be, it will change to cap. Firefox driver, Firefox driver, F and D should be cap. If you want to work with any application, WD dot get. So if you want to work with Facebook.com, so just we should write HTTP colon Facebook.com, Facebook.com, right. Save, click on done. It will open the Facebook page. Here is no Java required. Only one line purpose we learn Java. Interface name, reference name equal to new class name. Interface is WebDriver. Reference name WD equal to new class name. In the place of class, I am taking Firefox driver. WD.get HTTP Facebook.com. It will open the Facebook page.
So first I have to down install Firefox also.
Yeah, Firefox version also I will send you, madam. Just wait. End of the class, you can get it. What is what? Everything you can get it. After today class, you can work with any application without any support, without Akhil support, without Google support. Yes, it will open the Facebook page. Now, in Facebook, we have username and password sign in button. In the Facebook, this is the Facebook page. For example, here we have username, password, sign in buttons. This is the web application, madam. This is the web application. This is the web application. Each and every web application having some elements that is called web element. These are the web element. This is one web element. This is one web element. This is one web element. So each and every web element having one unique location. Each and every web element having one unique location. That is called XPath. That is called XPath. We need to find out the XPath. We need to find out the XPath. If you want to find out the XPath, each and every web element, button, link, edit box, select box, image, whatever it is, text box, select box, drop down box, radio button, check box, all are web elements. All are web elements. All are web elements. So each and every web element having one unique location. Each and every web element having one unique location. That is called XPath. That is called XPath. If you want to find out the XPath, compulsory we should have Firebug and Firepath. So first we should have Firepath. Firepath. We should have Firepath. What is Firepath? It is add-on of Firefox, which is used for finding the XPath of the web element. XPath of the web element. Firepath is nothing but it is add-on of Firefox which is used for finding the XPath of the web element. Where we can get Firepath? We have in Firebug. What is Firebug? It is also add-on of Firefox which is used for inspecting the web element. Okay, so this is the web application. Each and every web application having some elements that is called web elements. Each and every web element having one unique location that is called XPath. So if you want to find out the XPath, compulsory we should have FirePath. So FirePath is nothing but it is a add-on of Firefox which is used for finding the XPath of the web element. So where we can get to FirePath? We have in Firebug. What is Firebug? It is also add-on of Firefox which is used for finding the inspecting the web element, So first of all we need to download Firebug and Firepath. We need to download Firebug and Firepath. How to download Firebug and Firepath I will tell you. So how to download Firebug and Firepath I will tell you. So for example, first we will write the program. After that we can download Firebug and Firepath. So if you want to enter username Facebook, we entered into Facebook. I want to enter username in the username text box. So wd dot just wd auto keep dot automatically find element option will come. Find element by dot XPath. I'm giving XPath dot send keys. So that is the edit box. So here we will use send keys. Akhil Reddy HYD 1 at gmail.com. wd dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving the XPath. So I'm giving the XPath. After that I will give you. So dot password. I want to enter password. Send keys. Same to same. Venkanna 143. Next, I want to click on sign in button. wd dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving XPath dot. If it is button, we will use click operation. Click. Enough. We can work with Facebook. First of all, we need to find out the XPath. So if you want to find out the XPath, first of all, we need to download Firebug and Firepath. How to download Firebug and Firepath? Go to Mozilla Firefox. Go to Mozilla Firefox. Go to Google. Download Firebug. I'm using old Firebug, old Firefox I'm using. So you should use old Firefox only. So then we need to download old Firebug also. Download Firebug. Just click on second link. Download Firebug. I'm using old Firebug. I'm using old Firefox. So we need to download old Firebug only. Just click on an older version. Just click on an older version. Just click on an older version.
But my Eclipse is new. I just downloaded it yesterday, so
Oh, no problem, no problem.
yeah.
Just click on 1.9. Click on 1.9. Click on 1.9.0. Click on allow. So it will install within 1 minute. Right. Install now. Restart now. Okay, installed. Firebug is installed. Next, we need to download Firepath. Just write Firepath. First link. Click on first link. Add to Firefox. Allow. Install. Restart now. Firepath installed. How we know, sir? Installed or not? How we know? Yes, we have an option. Go to Firefox. Here we have web developer. Go Firebug. Open Firebug. Web developer. Firebug. Open Firebug. So this is the Firebug. This is the Firebug. So this is the Firebug. If you want to hide the Firebug, we can hide the Firebug. So this is the pointer. It is a pointer. So each and every time we need to activate. We need to activate. Each and every time we need to activate. So this is the fire path. X path we can get here. X path we can get here. So if you don't want a Firebug, so just click hide Firebug. It will go. Once again, if you want Firebug, here another option we have in the top of the page we can get it. Are you getting ma? Top of
Yes,
the
sir.
page. So here also we have an option. If you want Firebug, just click on it. Yes. If you don't want, hide Firebug. Once again, if you want, go to. So I want to work with Facebook. How we can work with Facebook, we will discuss. Facebook.com. So first I want to enter username. Activate. First one, activate. And go on, click on that username field. So we can get IDE XPath. Copy. Come to Eclipse give here. And I want to enter password. Once again activate and go there, click on password. Yes, copy. Come here and paste here. And once again activate, click on login button. Copy, paste. Save, click on run. So we can work with Facebook very comfortably. Here is no Java required. Here is any Java required, madam? Tell me, any Java required is there? Without
No.
knowing anything, here is, this is different world. This is the different world. This is not Java. This is not nothing. There is no name. So wd dot find element by XPath. I'm giving XPath. If it is a red box, we will use send keys. So it will enter username, password. It will click on login button. Right, login. So that is, you can work with any application. You should remember only one thing. If it is any web application, we have six types of buttons, six types of web elements, six types of web elements, six types of web elements, six types of web elements. One is edit box. That means select box. One is select box. Select box. Second one is text box. Text box or edit box, we can say text box. Further fields we will use send keys. We will use send keys. We will use send keys. We will use edit box or select box. We will use send keys. You should remember. And four more. One is button, link, radio box. Radio box means round one. Male or female.
Yes, sir.
Radio box. Checkbox. We will use click. Only just you should remember.
For all this is click.
Click. Only if it is any application, we have these six types of buttons, six types of web elements. Select box, text box, button, link, radio box, check box. Button, link, radio box, check box, we will use click. Select box, text box, we will use send keys. We will use send keys. So this is the concept, madam. So after this class, you can work with any application, madam. Okay, any application. You can work with any application. Apart from Apart from this concept, we will discuss 60 concept we will discuss, but that are all our techniques or interview questions or advanced concepts. But this is after this class, you can work with any application without my support, Google support, anyone support directly. You can work with any application. Now, for example, you know any site? Tell me that site we can work with. Tell me any site.
Mm, um, any site, Google,
Gmail.
Gmail.
Okay. I want to work with Gmail. How work with Gmail? HTTP gmail.com. Now I am writing wd dot find element by dot xpath. I am giving xpath dot edit box. First we need to enter email. Send keys. I am giving Akhil Reddy HYD 1. Right. Next. Observe carefully ma wd dot find element by dot xpath. I am giving xpath dot click wd dot. So find element by dot xpath. I'm giving xpath dot send keys. I'm giving send keys dot send keys. I'm giving password Venkana 14. I want to click on sign in button. WD dot find element by dot xpath. I'm giving xpath dot click dot click. Right. Go and get the xpath. So after clicking on next button, it is moving to next page. So in between, just write thread dot sleep wait statement. This is wait statement. Wait statement. Thread dot sleep. Thread dot sleep is a wait statement. I am writing 2000 milliseconds. That means 2 seconds. It will wait 2 seconds. It will wait 2 seconds. Add throws declaration. Right. After click on next button, it is moving to next page. So it is taking some time. So that's the reason in between I am writing wait statement. Wait to 2 seconds. It will wait 2 seconds. So after that it will perform the action. So I want to give the Gmail username and password, and I want to work with Gmail. So go to Gmail, give the Gmail ID, XPath, email, copy, come here, paste, Control V, and I want to click on next button. So next button XPath, copy, paste here, Control V, and I want to enter password. I want to enter password. Give the password XPath, copy, Control V, sign in button, copy, come here, paste here, save, click on run. So it's very easy, madam. Here is any Java required, madam? Tell me. I I,
No,
I worked with two applications. One is Facebook, second one is Gmail. Is there any Java required? Tell me.
no.
No. You can work with any application. Only using this knowledge, you can work with any application. Any application. Just you should remember only one thing. If it is text box or select box, text box, select box, we will use send keys, link button, radio button, check box, we will use click. Just you should remember only these 2 points. All right. Right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. After this class, you can work with any application very comfortable.